Hello, good evening sir. I am Darilom Jail Parilla, representing for final exam in Cisco and IT. The topic is about in IT, about medias and cable. Types of media, there are three categories: copper, fiber optic, wireless. Each category is divided into categories. Each differentiation says lesson of media. The first one is coaxial. Inner part, insulated conductor or center capacitor. Outer part, braided metal shielded, used to help shield and data transmission. Provide CMI resistance due to shielding. The plastic part, yung kulay itim is matawag yun na plastic jacket. And yung pangalawang layer, yung parang pangalawang layer na manipis, metal shield. Then yung white part is dielectric insulator, yung parang ginagamit dun sa for example lang yung sa spark plug, ng motor o kaya kotse, di ba, yung puting part yun. Then yung parang yung pinaka inner part, yung center core part is tanso talaga siya, pure na tanso, yung tinatawag din ng pulang to na makapal, yun. A coaxial cable, often called a coax cable, is a type of electrical cable designed to transmit high frequency signals with other independent consists of several layers. Example, yung antenna nung antenna yung ginagamit na wire dun sa antenna ng TV. Hindi pa smart TV o kaya Android na TV. Yun yung example nito. Ito yung ginagamit na wire dun sa TV para direct dun sa aluminum naman na antenna. May different types na coaxial cables. RG6, commonly used by local cable companies to connect individual homes. So ito na ngayon, for example na lang nito is kinabanggit naman local cable companies. Binalang natin Converge, ganun yung mga ginagamit ng Converge o kaya Sky, ganun. Then RG59, typically used to carry composite between two nearby devices. Example, ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina, TV, best example TV. Yung maliit na part, yung puti na binarot, yun yung sa mga internet. Then itong makapal na gray, ito naman yung sa mga nagawa na para sa antena ng TV sa bahay. Next, kung merong wire, syempre nandun yung parang ulo niya, yung connector na may thread na kinakabit dun sa TV. Pwedeng pack, pwedeng thread na may lock, no? Tinatawag siya na coaxial connectors. BNC, term bayonet nail concealment or British naval connector, was used for 10 base 2 Ethernet networks. F connector, typically used for cable TV and cable modem connections. The next one is about sa naman, ginagamit naman natin para sa pag-connect naman ng internet. Tinatawag ito na twisted, example nito, twisted pair cables. Most popular physical LAN media type. So yun nga yung pang internet nga na may RG45 yung dulo, which is individually insulated strands of copper wire inside each cable. Each pair twisted together to reduce CMI. Tighter twist, less CMI. Types: unshielded twisted pair, shielded twisted pair. So ano nga ba yung binabanggit na EMI? Twisting pairs of wires and cables minimize electromagnetic interference. CMI in crosstalk. Tighter twist result in less CMI and a clearer, more reliable signal. Kaya hindi lang design or pampaganda na taka-twist yung wire na ginagamit ko, kasi siya para daw mas malinaw and mas klaro yung signal, ganun. Mas mabilis ng transfer ng data kasi walang latency, ganun. So, the more na naka-tight yun, o nakabuhol yun, mas okay, mas klaro, mas mabilis. May tawag din na UTP. Yung UTP is conductor, yung nasa gitna mismo, conductor, insulation, yung balot, yung pair, syempre, yung pinaka labas, yung pinaka base sa labas, yung unang nadadamage ng gas ganun. Then sheet, yun mismo yung pinakabalot para for example na lang, para hindi mabasa ng ulan, ganun, no? Para hindi magkaroon ng short circuit na ganun. Then ito yung part kung yun nga, may dalawang part ba, may nakabalot, may shielded part, tsaka may unshielded part. Dito tayo ngayon sa unshielded twisted pair o tatawag na UTP. Number of twists determines how much EMI can be blocked. Cat 6 has more twists per inch than Cat 5. So ito na nga yung Cat 6, mas madami siyang kaysa sa 5. So it means mas klaro siya, mas mabilis siya mag-transfer ng data. So it means parang ano na lang, mas mabilis yung daloy ng internet, no? Kasi mas advanced sa Cat 5. So Cat 6 yun. UTP is cheaper than STP. Media of choice in most lands. So what is STP? STP is shielded pair, usapan to. Shield, kasi yung shield. Ang UTP siya less section siya, mas mura kaysa sa STP na shielded. Yung madalas commonly ginamit kayo na mura, and mas mura, tsaka yun yung commonly na ginagamit dito sa atin, especially dito sa Pinas. So ngayon dadako naman tayo sa shielded twisted pair, STP, tatawag na STP. Wires are twisted in pairs and surrounded in a metallic shielded to minimize EMI. Outer shielding minimize EMI but makes STP cost more than. Ito na nga, no? Pagbukas yung wire na ginagamit, yung unshielded, pagbalat mo nun, diretso na agad yung iba't ibang kulay. May kasama lang yun na parang plastic. Yung shielded part, pagbukas mo nung pagkat mo wire, may balot na parang foil. Then pag binalatan mo pa ulit para makita yung mga isa-isang wire na yun na nakabalot together, may another parang foil pa ulit para mas protection siya, and may less latency. Punta naman tayo sa twisted pair connectors. Ito yung tatawag na RJ45, 8-pin connector in Ethernet networks. Most Ethernet use only 4 pins. RJ11, 6-pin connector. Commonly 2 or 4 pins are used, commonly found in telephone systems. DB9 or DB25 or RS232, 9-pin or 12-pin. The subminiature used for asynchronous serial communications and connecting to an external. So RJ45, ang RJ45 is commonly ginagamit sa mga modem to, sabi natin modem to PC, ganun, modem to laptop na merong LAN port. Yun ang ginagamit na RJ45. Ang RJ11 naman daw is commonly used in telephone systems. So parang ito ano ba example na ito? Ito yung ginagamit na galing ng yung galing ng tawag yan? Galing mga poste sa labas, ganon. Then yung, diba, para di siyang Ethernet, pero LAN o RJ40 pero 6 lang daw siya, 6-pin connector. Then DB9 or DB25, for example na lang BGA na twisted pair cable to output category, category Cat 3, Cat 5, Cat 5e, Cat 6, Cat 5a, Cat 7. Maximum true output Cat 3 10 Mbps, Cat 5 100 Mbps, Cat 5e 1000 Mbps or 1 gigabytes. Cat 6 1000 Mbps or 1 gigabytes. Cat 6a 10,000 Mbps or 10 Gbps. Cat 7 10,000 Mbps or 10 Gbps. Maximum distance 100 meters. Why 100 meters? Para masunod yung maximum tuwa output nila. Kasi kung lalagpas ka ng 100 meters, pwedeng magkaroon ng latency, yung tinatawag na latency or mahina signal, ganun. Baga hindi siya intact na pagkabit mo dun sa laptop mo, kaya dun sa PC mo, connection agad. Baga mag-take ng ilundo 1 to 2 or 3 seconds minimum, ganun, para magkaroon ng connection. Ito na, papupunta naman to watch cables. Ito yung catch nung para isaksak sa R40 para kung namang i11 game. Best example nito G45 ka na to 8. So ang mga colors, ang una ay white orange, pangalawa orange, and pangatlo white green, blue, pangapat, panlima white blue, pang-anim green, pang-pito white brown, and pang-walo brown. Okay. Both ends of the cable have matching pin outputs. T568B is the preferred standard for powering a building if no issues. Data terminating equipment, TE to data termination equipment, DC, router to router to modem. So, yung combination ito yung commonly na ginagamit nga sa computer, ganun, or sa bahay nyo, ganun, from modem to laptop, ganun. Ito yung common din na ginagamit sa atin. Crossover cables. Send and receive pins of the cable are swapped with the pin outputs. Connect a workstation to a station. Used to connect a switch to switch. Not required if switch support MDIX. Kung yung kanina, modem to device, ito pwedeng workstation to workstation. So yung kanina galing sa modem to device, ito pwedeng directly device to device. So ang purpose niya is para siyang HDMI cable, ganun, from isang device, from laptop device to yung sa laptop device to monitor device, para magkaroon ng same na palaser pero dito sa isa directly. So ito yung pins 568A, 568B, EIA 568A and EIA 568B are standard orange and green swap. So sa T668B ang 1 nya orange stripe, pagdating sa T568B naging green stripe, then ang number nya orange, naging green sa kabila, and orange to green, then green to orange stripe, blue stripe to blue stripe, green to orange, brown stripe to brown stripe, brown to brown. Plenum and non-plenum. Plenum cable, special UTP STP cable that has a retardant water insulator, minimize dangerous fumes if cable on fire, safe for use in ceiling, walls, and raised floors. Non-plenum cable, also known as PVC, normal UTPS rated cable, cannot be used in raised floor, ceilings, or walls. Kung plenum, may fire resistant, fire retardant, so hindi siya basta-basta nasusunog. Yung plenum cable. Yung non-plenum, possible kasi ito yung mga commonly na ginagamit. So yun, next topic tayo naman sa Cisco naman po. Hindi, may kabugtong pa pala na types of cables pa. So hello again, ito tayo sa part 2 nung just news. Fiber optic cables uses light from an LED or laser to transmit information through a glass fiber. Immune to AMI uses light instead of electricity. Benefits: greater range, many miles, greater data carrying capacity measured in terabytes per second. Types: multi-mode fiber MMF, single mode SMF. Na kung yung about kanina is wire through copper. Ito naman use LED ilaw or laser to transmit information to glass fiber. Kasi hindi na goma yung nakabalo sa kanya, glass fiber na. Multi-mode fiber MMF, shorter distances than single mode fiber. Larger core size allows for multiple modes of travel for the light signal. Core size 62.5 microns. Common uses: router to switches, switches to switches, server to switches. Single fiber SMF, longer distances than multi-mode fiber. Smaller core size allows for only single mode of travel for light signal. Size 10 microns. Common uses: router to switches, switches to switches. Fiber optic connector, SC for fiber connector, S strip connector, LC for loose center, MTRJ mechanical transfer register. Specialized AC connectors, AC subscriber connectors, angled physical contact connector, ABC. MTRJ mechanical transfer register jack, use ultra physical contact connector, UPC, ultra physical contact. So yun lang. Thank you. This is the matatapang aking presentation ko, no, for IT.